So here we're given this absolute value inequality, and the easiest way to do this is to directly create the solution. I'll do it another way by using examples to eliminate the answer choices. But what this means is that on the number line, if this is the point A, then we're looking for those values, because the absolute value of x minus A means distance between x and A. X could be on either side, but this distance refers to absolute value of x minus A. And we're looking for those values that are 3 units or less, meaning we're going 3 units on both sides of A, which means that x is a number. So this would be A minus 3. This would be A plus 3. So x is all of these values that falls between A minus 3 and A plus 3 inclusive. And that means the solution would be x is greater than or equal to A minus 3 and less than A plus 3, which is answer choice A. Now the second approach in this problem would be to use some examples. And we can select a value for A. Let's say A is 2. We're looking for solutions for this. So what we'll do is we'll use the answer choices and see if for all values of these choices, is this condition satisfied. So for example, I'll start with, say, C, x is 2, so this would mean, A is 2, x is greater than or equal to minus 1. I'm going to pick really large numbers. So for example, x is 10, that satisfies this. If I plug it in here, is absolute value 10 minus 2 less than or equal to 3? No, because this is 8. So C is out. Actually, this is, yes, C is out. So let's look at D. X would be less than or equal to 5. Again, I'm looking for a number that's going to violate this. So for example, x is minus 10. If I replace that here, would be absolute value of minus 12. Is that less than or equal to 3? No. So this isn't a solution. So we'll do that to eliminate and get to our answer choice. We already know that the answer is A, but we'll do that here. So this is x is less than or equal to A minus 3. A is 2. So x is less than or equal to minus 1. Let's see, so x is less than or equal to minus 1. So again, we can pick a value like x minus 10, which satisfies this. Again, this would not be satisfied, so B is out. And then finally, E would be replacing A with 2, minus 5 and 1. And if I choose x to be minus 5, again, you'll find that this doesn't work, because this would be 7, which is not less than or equal to 3. So that eliminates E as well. Now, of course, any value that you select for x here will satisfy all of these, because it is a solution. And the only way is to eliminate the remaining ones by picking values that will violate this. So that's the other approach, using numbers. I mean, it's not as clean, but if you're not comfortable with the geometric meaning of that inequality, then that's the only option you have. But I recommend you understanding this, because this concept does show up on the ACT. So to recap, the answer is A.